Hello, Zesty people. So today we're going to discuss migrating an existing Next.js project to Zesty. But before we dive in, let's take a quick preview of the Next.js project that we'll be migrating. As you can see here, we have a basic website with some contents, and there are several images accompanied by titles or text. For instance, there's a hero image at the top, and as we scroll further, we encounter multiple text sections and additional images all throughout the site. Our goal for this tutorial is to migrate all these elements, be it images or text, over to Zesty. Now to get started, let's first create an instance that we will be using for this project. To do that, let's head over to the zesty.io and then let's log in with our accounts. Then let's create an instance. You can do that by clicking this button in here. Then let's go for a blank instance. Let's name this as on-demand devs. All right, that's done. So as we can see in our instance, it is a completely blank instance. We only have one schema in here, which is the homepage. So probably for this project, we will not be using the globals dataset, but that's there if you need that. But what we're going to do next is now we'll create a next starter project and we'll get the starter project from the zesty.io GitHub page. Let's open up a tab and then let's search for zesty.io GitHub. And then let's click this Next.js 13 starter. So for this project, we will be using the Next.js version 13, but if you have if you want to use the version 12, then you can click this link in here. So for this, let's use the Next.js version 13, and then let's copy this command in here. And then let's open up a folder, then open up a terminal, then let's paste this command. So this may take a little while depending on the machine that you are using. And for this project, let's name it as on demand devs. All right, if you get to this point, then just hit yes. Then let's log in with our account that we created the instance with. Okay, so if you have multiple instances in your account, it will show up as a list in here, but for this account, I only have two instances, so we will be using the instance that we just created. This may take a little while. Now, if you get this error in here where it is missing an env file, for this, what you have to do is just create an env file inside the project folder. So let me create that for a bit. Then what we need to do next is to run the sync command. So for that, let's go to the folder first, and then let's run npm run sync. All right, that's done. Thanks for watching this segment on the instance creation and setting up the starter project. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how the instance and the starter project are synced.